Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single crochet. So assuming that you already know how to do your foundation chain, and if you don't know how to do your starting loop or foundation chain, there are videos for that in my stitch tutorials playlist that you can find on my channel, or by checking out the link in the description below, where it will take you to my stitch tutorials page on my website, and you can find them there. So for this one, we're just going to be working on a single crochet. So how to do a single crochet, and I just have a little swatch here to do examples with. So you're just going to take your hook, push it right through the stitch, and you want to make sure you go through the entire stitch. So when you're looking at a stitch from the top, you're going to see it looks like a little V shape. That's how you know you've gone through the entire stitch. And you're just going to yarn over your hook, pull up a loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull right through both loops. And that's how you do a single crochet. I'll do it a couple more times with you. So you're just going to push your loop through the stitch, your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You've got 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. Hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both. And that's how you do a single crochet.